Deputies rush to an escalating shoplifting call.
And I could see that he had appeared to be a knife on the side.
As a non-compliant suspect refuses to stop.
Hey, get on the ground now! Stop resisting!
This footage can be difficult to watch. Viewer discretion is advised.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
There's a man wearing all black with a ski mask. He has a weapon on his side. It looks like a long knife. And he has a dog. He just stole a lot of merchandise.
All right, you said he's armed and wearing a black ski mask?
Yeah. All black dog with him, full cart of stuff stolen. He was yelling that martial law is in effect and he's going to go and take everything. And I could see that he had appeared to be a knife on the side.
Okay.
And he seemed intoxicated as well.
The arriving deputy spots the suspect across the street, still pushing the cart, and moves in to make contact.
3211, I'm 1012 at Lake Virgin 50.
Hey, get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground or you will be shot! Get on the ground! He's uncooperative. Can I get someone, Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased! Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased, bro! Get on the ground, you're gonna get tased, bro! Get on the ground! And you better not let that dog out. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You will be tased! Stop resisting! Get on the ground! You're gonna get tased, bro! Okay, to the point, to the point. Hey, don't reach! Don't reach! Do not reach! Drop it! Shots fired, shots fired. Do not reach! Do not reach! Do not reach! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Do not reach, bro! Do not reach! Do not reach for anything! Or you will be shot again! Get down! Turn around! Turn around!
Get down! Go ahead, somebody.
Keep your hands on your head. Do it now.
Put your hands on your head.
Get on your stomach.
Signal 43, Virgin is at 11250, East Colonial Drive, Lake Virgin 50. Signal 4050 for units Lake Virgin 50.
Someone's gonna have to taser you. Get down!
You get shot again, bro.
Fighting
Where you got it? Oh, you gotta get.
All right.
Wait, guys, wait.
Over the leg.
Wait.
Over the leg.
Okay. Give us your arm.
Okay.
There you go.
You guys' legs? All right. We can check where he's shot. Yeah. Okay.
You got it. Then your arm. You got it?
I got this one.
Okay.
Deputies rendered aid on scene until paramedics arrived. The suspect was transported with non-life-threatening injuries. 2 knives were recovered at the scene. The suspect now faces charges of armed robbery with a deadly weapon and resisting an officer with violence.
Okay, we got one.
In the moments following the incident, the suspect's dog can be seen running across the busy street. Its whereabouts, based on the information available in this release, remain unclear. In the replay,
Get on the ground, you're gonna get tased, bro!
the deputy issues repeated warnings before force was used. At roughly 25 to 30 feet, low light, with the cart blocking the view and bystanders nearby,
Get on the ground!
the deputy was reacting to a threat the body cam itself struggles to capture.
Okay, to the point, to the point.
With a non-compliant suspect who had already ignored a taser and members of the public in the immediate area,
Hey, don't reach! Don't reach! Do not reach!
deputies are trained to weigh all of those factors simultaneously, often in a matter of seconds. That context is what investigators will be examining in the review of this incident. This channel draws no conclusions on this incident. What you've seen is just a portion of the footage under review.
I got it. We got it.
Was the use of force justified? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
Check where he's shot.
If you want to stay informed on critical incidents happening in communities across the country, hit subscribe. We cover critical use of force cases to keep you informed on incidents occurring in neighborhoods across the country.